Hi Anne, and this is Jessie, and I'd like to say happy birthday to you, and I know you're happy right now, and congratulations also for being a monetized channel and sabay pa sila on your birthday, and I am so happy with you, and don't forget that I'm here always to support you, and I'm gonna be your good friend, and thanks also for being such a very generous and good friend of mine, and take good care, Jan, and I hope that you're gonna have a what do you call this one, a healthy life throughout the year, not only the year but of course for the entire years that we're gonna live in this world. And take good care dyan, kahit anong pagod laban lang. And I really do appreciate all the things that you've done in your family, and especially sa kid mo. And just take good care of your health, because yan lang yung puhunan natin. So, nabubulal na ako. So, I'd like to say happy birthday, and take good care, Anne. And I love you. And always put your feet on the ground, and stay healthy, and stay humble. And we're just here to support you, and don't try to, hesitate to ask everything on us. So, happy birthday, Anne, and enjoy birthday bash. This is Jess. Bye!
And mega love shoutout po sa inyo lahat dyan. And before I will start, I would like to congratulate my member sa Team Quezon Achievers, Marian Kahinta channel. Isa ka ng ganap na monetize. Yan, congratulations sa iyo, kapatid, dahil sa tagal-tagal na ng pagsikap na mangisda, pagsipag na mangisda, and kung saan LS na pupunta, and lalo na sa Team Quezon, and always saying, host, I'm here, present. Diba? Napaka-supportive na kaibigan. Once again, congratulations sa iyo, kapatid. And advance happy birthday sa iyo, kapatid nating Marian Kahinta vlog. Ayan. So, I wish all the luck to you, and let the provision of the Lord be upon you this year, 2021. God bless, kapatid, and enjoy. Ito na ang susunod na pagsubok sa iyo. Ala nyo, mga monetize ha, pero alam ko yan, kaya nyo yan. God bless. Bye.
Ayan guys, kumusta po ang lahat guys. Enjoy lang tayo guys, no. So ngayon guys, babatiin ko lang ang isa nating kasamahan, kapatid natin na si kapatid Marian. Congratulations kapatid, isa ka ng ganap ngayon na YouTuber. Alam namin, sobrang hirap ang pinagdaanan mo din bago mo marating, no, tulad namin. Lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa ganitong kahirapan bago natin makuha yung mga goal natin, di ba? So papasalamat ako kasi hindi ka tumigil, no? Kahit anong hirap, andyan ka, lumalaban, tuloy lang, tuloy, go lang. Basta lagi mo lang tandaan, kapatid, andito lang kami, laging nakahandang tumulong sa iyo. Andito lang buong team, nagmamahal, willing tumulong kung may kailangan ka. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. Andito lang mga kapatid mo, nagmamahal sa iyo. Ang team, hindi ka namin pababayaan, no? Laban lang, kapatid. Congratulations. So, wish ko lang mas marami ka pang mamimit na mga friends sa YT World, no? And more blessings to come, kasi alam naman natin kung bakit, di ba? So, enjoy lang, i-enjoy mo lang yung life dito sa YT, kasi lahat naman tayo gusto lang din natin masaya tayo. So, enjoy mo lang, kapatid, and congratulations and more blessings to come, and always in a good health, kapatid. So, yan lang po guys. Thank you po sa inyong lahat dyan. Ayan guys, kumusta po ang lahat, no? Unang-una guys, babatiin lang po natin ang isa nating kapatid na si Marian Kahinta. Happy birthday, kapatid, and more birthdays to come in your life, and enjoy ka lang, no? Huwag mo lang dibdibin masyado yung sa mga problema natin. Kasama yan sa buhay natin, mga kapatid, no? So enjoy ka lang, no, sa birthday mo. And also, kapatid, congratulations, kasi isa ka ng ganap monetized channel na yung ano mo no, YouTube channel mo, isang monetized channel ka na. Congratulations sa iyo kapatid. And more blessings to come in your life. Siyempre, enjoy mo lang yung YT life natin kasi dito ang dami natin pagsubok talaga na darating sa buhay natin sa YT. Kaya so lang, laban lang, tiyaga, and more, dublihin pa natin yung mga pagsisikap natin kasi kung hindi ka rin magsipag dito, wala din, no? Pero enjoy lang talaga. Yun lang ang advice ko sa iyo. Wag mo lang masyadong dibdibin, no? Ay enjoy mo lang yung YT life natin. And syempre, no, importante talaga, lagi ka lang mag-enjoy ka lang talaga kapatid Miriano. And more birthdays to come. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come in your life. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye. Thank you guys.
Hi Mary Ann, happy birthday to you. May your day be filled with joy and laughter as you celebrate your birthday. And congratulations to your monetization channel. May God bless you always. Keep safe. More birthdays to come. And once again, happy birthday.